Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing, well, first of all, today I'm going to brunch. And so yeah, I'm going to be doing like a soft beat, but still like glam, still like, you know, very much so that girl. Yeah, I'm just looking because I feel like my camera is making me look very washed right now, so I'm a little confused as to why. I don't know. I guess I can fix it once I upload the video. But once I put it on my computer, I can go back and edit it. Okay, so I'm gonna just start out with the makeup. I already did my eyebrows and I primed my eyes with the Kat Von D tattoo locket, whatever it's called, the Kat Von D locket conceal cream. I don't know where I got tattoo from. I think because this covers tattoos pretty well, I think, maybe, or I don't know why I said tattoo, to be honest. But yeah, I primed my eyes with that, and I'm going to do my entire look out of this BH Cosmetics Ultimate Matte Palette, if I have any eyeshadows left, because my son likes to eat them when I'm not looking. So yeah, guys, I haven't done like a get ready with me in a while because I've just been, you know, like preparing for vacation, and there's just so much stuff coming up. It's like I've just been doing a lot of work. I've been doing a lot of work. There's so much stuff that's just creeping up on me. My birthday is around the corner. I'm trying to plan my birthday. I just came back from Disney, which was a great time. Go check those vlogs out if you haven't already seen them. One of my best friends just had a baby. Like, it's just been so much. It's just so much going on. And yeah, so I've been trying to stay consistent with this, and it's tough, but I'm gonna do it. Okay, so eyes are already primed, and yeah, let's do it. I'm going to start out with this BH Cosmetics 101 brush, and I'm going to use this orange shade right here. And I'm really going to try to blend that out because I don't want my eye looking orange. I just want it as a transition shade. You know how people, like, for instance, when people cook, this is like, I'm so outlandish, oh wow. When people cook with onion, like, I don't like onion, right? So I'm like, no, don't use the onion, and they're always like, oh, you're not even gonna be able to taste it, you just use it just like, you know, to use it, basically. Like, you just use it for the little bit of flavor that it gives, but you won't taste onion. That's what I want with my eye right now. I don't want my eye to taste like onion. No, I don't want my eye to look orange, but I need the orange just like for transition, just for taste, you know? Yeah, I don't know, so outlandish, whatever. So yeah, today I'm going out to brunch, or maybe even by the time I get there, it'll probably just be lunchtime, with Courtney. If you don't know who Courtney is, this is going to be a very simple eye look. So now I'm going to go take this around the right jaw and put that in my crease. Guys, what are the best brunch spots in Philly? If you're in the Philadelphia area, what are the best brunch spots? Because, like, honestly, I'm tired of Green Eggs and tired of Sabrina's. Like, I just need new things. Like, I think that I want to just go to New York so much more in the summer because I want new things. Like, I'm sick of Philly. Sick and tired. But yeah, like I was saying, it's March now, and well, March is almost over, and then it's April. And April is like a prepping month for me because when May comes, it's lit, okay? We have my birthday. Well, first, Preston's birthday party is in May. And Preston's birthday party is in May. His party is on the 5th. And that's a whole thing in itself, like, me doing his party. Because, honestly, like, I do all the planning myself, basically. Not saying that Chevelle doesn't help. But, like, that's more my lane. Like, that's more just of, like, my thing. Like, that's what I do. And then I just tell him what we're doing, where to be, what he's going to wear, and, you know, basically, like, how much he needs to spend, how much money he needs to give me for the party. So, yeah, that's how we basically work that. So, I've been doing that. That's on the 5th, and his actual birthday is on the 12th, which is also Mother's Day. And so, on the 11th, I'm throwing him another party so that he has, like, a party closer to his birthday. I might actually do his second party I might do it on Mother's Day. I'm not too sure yet, but then I want to do stuff with my mom on Mother's Day, and like I want Mother's Day to be like my day, but it's also Preston's birthday, so it's kind of hard. Like, I really don't know what the plan is going to be. So for my birthday, I think I want to take a trip, but like I'm really not sure where I want to go. My boyfriend / baby daddy is Jamaican, and I've never been to Jamaica, so he was saying maybe that we'll go to Jamaica for my birthday, which of course I'm not opposed to. Like, why not? I actually want to go to Jamaica, so I mean, I guess what better time to do it. So yeah, Jamaica is definitely on the list of things, well, the list of possibilities. If you guys have been to Jamaica and know some good places in Jamaica, to like good resorts, all-inclusives, or even especially Airbnbs. Like, if you guys know good Airbnbs in Jamaica, hook me up, okay? Like, an Airbnb for my birthday would be like so ideal, and just have like more couples just join us, not even pay, just like fly out and just like meet us there. But that seems like close to impossible nowadays. And it's just like, I say that, but I don't really like hanging out with new people, because it's just like, this world is just so scary, and I've had so many different experiences with people, and I think that a lot of people just have motives. Like, the motives behind these people are like freaking, like, they're spooky. Like, these people are wicked, okay? And I don't have time for that, because nah. So yeah, that's the dilemma that I feel about meeting new people and things like that. It's just like, it's just a scary thing. And then it's just like, you know, you're meeting new people, and then to have them around like your family, it's like, whew, that's hard. So I wish that my friends that I have now, well, my couple friends that I have now, would just get it together, because I want y'all to come with us. But yeah, so that's how the month of May is looking for right now. So yeah, if you know Airbnb, drop that thing. I don't know what I should be getting my mom for Mother's Day, because like, what, like, I need to buy my mom a house for Mother's Day, okay? Like, that's the goal. Like, one Mother's Day, I just want to take her in a car and just be like, pull up to like this beautiful, like fully decorated little cottage, because that's her style. It's like more like cottage like. I just want to pull up to a cottage, a fully decorated cottage with like a big porch in the front and like a big backyard with like horseshoes already set up in the back, because my mom is like country as hell. Well, not country as hell, but she likes country stuff. Like my mom's family is from the South, so they like horseshoes and like barbecue. Well, everyone likes a barbecue, but they like, you know, that's their thing. Like horseshoes and a barbecue is like the ideal day for my mom and her 9 brothers. And I love it. So yeah, that's what I need to get for Mother's Day, is a house. But not this Mother's Day, Mom. But I got you. I got you, sis. Oh, these are the lashes that I'm using, because I always say what they are, but this is what it looks like. I already opened the package, but $3.99, honey. Alright guys, so now it's time for my hair. So the details on this bomb ass hair, this is Tiara hair per usual, and this is 4 bundles of 30-inch Brazilian body wave with a 5x5 closure, and this is a sew-in, a closure sew-in. I did have it on a wig, and then when I was like, okay, I'm going to Disney, I'm going to be on rides and stuff, and I just had a vision of me going down like a water slide, or like a log flume, or a roller coaster, and my wig just flying off into the wind, and now I had to be Meek Mill's my whole entire trip. So I went and got a sew-in. Yeah. So if you don't have one of these, a hot comb is definitely a necessity when you either have a wig, a closure, a frontal, anything that has lace, you need a hot comb. So I just go in and press that down. Like, look how flat that is. Just like off of that one thing. So I'm going to be using my bootleg little wand that I made that used to be a curling iron that I took the snappy part off of. So that's what I'll be curling my hair with. And I'm just doing like some big loose curls because, like I said, I'm going to brunch and I don't need like tight like club curls. Alright guys, so this is the final of my hair. As you can see, this hair is long as hell, like way down my back. But it's so pretty. It has so much volume. It has so much volume. And yeah. What's it giving? What is it giving? So this is the Tiara hair, 30 30 30 30, and then a 5x5 closure in the length, I think it's 20 or 18. It's 18 or 20, I forget. But yeah, so you can go to her website and use my promo code, which is K.10, and you will receive some money off. But that is for the month of March only, and it is the 28th. So if you're gonna buy this hair, go ahead and do it now. Don't wait, do it now. And yeah, so now that my hair is done, it's time to move on to our outfits. This is what I'm wearing today. This is my Girl Gang shirt from Rock's Jewelry Shop. And if you like this shirt, you can go on their website and use my code, which is also K.10, to get money off. These are my Fashion Nova jeans. And these shoes are from Pretty Little Thing. This jacket is also from Pretty Little Thing. And so is this very, 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 very cute bag. So yeah, this is what I am wearing today. This is my Girl Gang shirt. This shirt is from Rock's Jewelry Shop. And you can go on their website and use my code, which is K.10, and get you some money off. This shaggy cardigan is from Pretty Little Thing. These jeans are from Fashion Nova. And these shoes are also from Pretty Little Thing. The shoes are like so freaking cute. Yeah, so this is what I'm wearing today to brunch. I'm about to go meet up with Courtney now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, stay positive and be blessed.